Lesson 1, The French Revolution. This is the image of Louis XVI, who became the King of France in 1774. Introduction of Louis XVI. Louis XVI belongs to Bourbon dynasty. He was the ruler of France during the Revolution. He ascended the throne of France in 1774 at the age of 20 years. The French Revolution began with the fall of the Bastille on 14 July 1789. Bastille was the fortress prison in Paris. It was hated by all. It symbolized the despotic power of the king. This is the flowchart of French society. We divide into three groups called states. Now, social condition or the causes. French society was organized as a society of states which based on feudal system. It was divided into three states or the classes. First state, second state and the third state. First state, the clergy was belong to first state, the nobility was belong to second state. Both state means first state and second state enjoyed a lot of privilege by birth, and they were exemption from paying a state dues or any types of taxes. And the third state constituted of businessmen, trader, professional, peasant, artisan, and also for the unprivileged section of society. About 90% population made by peasant, but their conditions were very miserable. They also had to pay taxes. Discrimination and inequality was very common in society. Student, you again look carefully the division of state system in France. Social causes. The society of the state was part of the feudal system. Student, look the status of all the three states and identify them. Types of taxes. There are two types of taxes popular in the France before the 1789. First, tithe and another tiles. Tithe, a tax levied by the church comprising 1/10 of the agricultural produce, and the tiles, tax to be paid directly to the state. And the substances crisis. The population of France rose from 23 million in 1715 to 28 million in 1789. This led to rapid increase in demand for food grains. Production could not keep pace and meet the growing demands of the population. The price of bread, which was the staple diet of the majority or common people, increased. Most workers were employed as laborers in workshop whose owner fixed their wage, but the wage did not keep pace with rising prices. So the gap between the rich and poor widened. Now, student, look here the flow chart of the struggle of surviving. At first, bad harvest, that's after scarcity of grain, and that's after rising food prices. The poorest can no longer buy bread. And two causes here. One is weaker bodies and another is food right. Weaker bodies, that's after disease epidemics, and food right, they increase the number of deaths. Finally, after the disease epidemic, they also increase the number of deaths. Means जब बेड हार्वेस्टिंग हुई उसके बाद स्क्रेसिटी ऑफ ग्रेन हुआ, यानी ग्रेन की कमी हुई, और जब ग्रेन की कमी हुई तो फूड प्राइसेस बढ़ गया. फूड प्राइसेस के बढ़ने के बाद पूरा लंबे समय तक ब्रेड को खरीद नहीं पाए. इसके कारण दो परिणाम हुए. एक, लोग कमज़ोर हुए और दूसरा फूड राइट हुआ। फूड राइट हुआ तो भी लोगों की मरने की संख्या बढ़ गई और जो लोग कमज़ोर हुए, बीमार पड़े, उसके वजह से भी लोग की मृत्यु का संख्या बढ़ गया। ये सिचुएशन था आफ्टर द बैड हार्वेस्टिंग एंड दिस इज अ फ्लो चार्ट ऑफ स्ट्रगल ऑफ सर्वाइव। Now student, look here the economic cause of French Revolution. Long years of war and French involvement with the American War of Independence drained and financial resources. The American War added more than $1 billion to the debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. Livre was a name of currency during the French Revolution or the before the French Revolution. Wife of the king, Louis XVI, Mary Antoinette, led a luxurious life, so large amount of money spent to maintain her beauty. Shortage of food due to bad harvest, creating a big problem to survive. People struggle for surviving because food prices are rising. And the peasant had not able to pay taxes, so they demanded the government for exemption from state due, but Louis XVI wanted to decided increase taxes. This is the image of economic privileges group. At last, you look the economic causes in short. Thank you.